My name's Sophie.
My name's Neil.
We've got a mid to high-end sort of luxury bathroom business. It's fairly specialist. We're based in London, central London and Surrey. We also do other construction work outside of that, a lot of dressing rooms. We've got 4 or 5 installation teams, so we do a lot of construction works inside people's houses, fitting kitchens, tiling, decorating, etc. But the main bulk of our business is the specialist bathrooms. I think probably understanding, we work as a partnership and we're very much there to support each other. But sometimes you just need some outside help, understanding how to scale, when's the right time, what would you say, the scalability really.
Putting systems in place and understanding how and when to do it, implementing them.
Experience, I guess, outside, we own a business. Yes, we've built it, but we're not experts. We haven't run multiple businesses. And it's also getting that outside influence and advice on how do we grow and when is the right time.
I've noticed a few changes in terms of organisational skills and stuff like that, really, quite a lot.
And actually targeting ourselves. I think we were rumbling on a little bit, for want of a better description. I feel like this is giving us more purpose. We're talking about KPIs a lot more. We are focusing ourselves and targeting ourselves a lot more than we were without it, because we've got that outside influence looking in. And we realise we're not going to hit a target that we can't see, and we didn't have any targets in place. So I think that's a big one.
I like the ChatGPT points. It was really, really interesting, and we're going to definitely implement that for sure.
I think the support network, in general, it's been brilliant to talk to other business owners and get feedback and ideas. Neil's example of ChatGPT is excellent because we're on a table, everyone's talking about how they've used it and in ways that we wouldn't have thought of. So I think that support network of other business owners and how they're managing is invaluable.
I would say definitely at least give it a try, because there's so many interesting things that come up, and it's really interesting. There's lots of things to consider that you don't usually think about.
It's just really basic. When I think about things that your parents said to you as a kid, more heads are better than one. And I feel like we've got 2 in our business, but we just don't see and hear everything. And actually the developed coaching is more heads helping us. So absolutely that.